Okay guys, now it's time to see if we can fit the intercooler, and we're gonna start removing the front bumper and see if we can fit it somehow, because we also have the AC radiator right here. So we're gonna decide if we are either going to remove all the AC, because it's also giving us issues with the turbo fitment. Let's remove this bumper. So guys, some time has passed. As you have seen from previous video, we finally managed to place the turbo. We need to move forward and proceed with the intercooler and all the pipings. We already removed the AC side from the engine bay. Now we're only missing the radiator. After that, we can proceed and place the intercooler and decide the pipeline. Let's keep going. Okay guys, we managed to place the intercooler and all the pipings, except this side here, because I tried, obviously with the weldings I still suck balls, and I figured that the welder that we bought doesn't do AC, even though the description said it does. So
grazie, complimenti.
Thank you, Amazon. I'm going to ask someone to weld this for me, and after that is done, all the intercooler and the pipings should be complete. So this is the line, intercooler, and the turbo side. And the next downpipe, it's gonna go something like this. After we're going to cut these off, of course, it's gonna go something like this, and then from here we will have another pipe that will go all the way to here, and I think we were going to place a V-band over here, so then we can go downstairs.
Where?
To heaven. No, to hell.
To hell?
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby!
Let's go on with the downpipe. People. So remember the flange that I told you that we had to weld? I made someone else weld it, and man, look at this, it's so clean. We also added the gasket. It was like a homemade gasket that we had to cut off manually. So we welded all the downpipe. We added a V-band over here. And from here we went downstairs, as you know. This is the pipe that comes from the downpipe. We're gonna leave it like this for now, and we will make the exhaust system later on if everything works properly. And on this side we will add the wastegate together with the screamer pipe, which we already built. We will have to add the AFR sensor on the downpipe, and we will also wrap the downpipe with this thermal tape. We already left some in the water, so it soaks up and it should attach better if you attach it when it's wet. So next step we will be add the external wastegate, where we already built the screamer pipe. By the way, it looks a bit like a saxophone. It's cringe with all the music.
Yeah, it's fucking cringe.
So let's add some music to it.
Still cringe.
And we will add all the lines for the air. So we can. I think it will also have to be connected to the boost controller. We will see that after we do a research online, and I'll explain to you guys better after we figure out how it's gonna work. We'll also add the springs and everything necessary, and then we will turn her on. Okay guys, we covered the hot side of the turbo, so the hood will not take so much heat. We did the same with the downpipe, as I told you. We wrapped it with the thermal tape. We also added the AFR sensor, which we're going to connect soon. I made some special brackets, some homemade brackets here and here, so we can attach the coil packs so that they can be a bit detached from the valve cover. A little tricky part was this side. Okay, the cables for the spark plugs, because they're really close to the downpipe. So I had to use a lot of tape, you know, and keep it as far away as possible from the downpipe. So guys, this is the downpipe. This is the screamer pipe. We also managed to connect the wastegate. You can see it there. We will have to figure the way to connect the boost controller to it. We also installed the smallest spring, so that we have very few pressure for now, and we're going to adjust it from the boost controller. That's going to happen in the next video. We're only missing, as I told you, the boost controller, the fuel pressure regulator, and all the gadgets. After that, hopefully everything will work. Hopefully nothing will leak, even though I already saw a leak. Let's hope it's nothing.
Yeah.
It's nothing too critical.
And hopefully nothing catching fire.
Yeah, let's hope nothing will catch fire, because everything is. We have the right recipe for a fire right here.
Very dangerous spot here.
Yeah. Let's hope no fire will happen. Please, fire gods.
Madonna.
We have been good this year. Spare us.
Spare us.
Fine God, spare us, please.
Spare parts.
Sperm us.
Sperm
Please don't.
us. Well, okay. Anyway.
Okay, we're done. We're done being stupid. So, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which most probably is gonna be the last one. So, peace. Peace. Peace out. Peace out.
Transition.
Yes. Shitty transition. Anyway, bye-bye.